In the morning, it's 6:40 in the morning. I want to take you through my healthy morning routine. First things first, I always wake up before my toddler because I need to have a moment of the morning that's just for me. Let's get started and enjoy it. Kids have impeccable timing. Normally I do get the morning a little bit to myself, but my son just woke up, so we're gonna make him breakfast first. So for Rowan's breakfast, I'm giving him raspberries, turkey bacon, and this is a grain-free protein cereal. It's actually really good. It's called 3 Wishes. I believe you can get it at Whole Foods. So I love taking greens first thing in the morning. It's like a giant dose of veg where I'm gonna wake up. Some people put it in smoothies. I just drink it straight just to get it over with. One thing you're gonna learn about me is I am a girl of beverages in the morning. Shot of apple cider vinegar. You just do a little, dilute it with water. Now on to our most important beverage, coffee. Yeah. Now's the time I typically try to get things done around the house. I can't leave if there's dishes in the sink or I have laundry to be done. I need to pack Rowan's lunch, so we're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna get some laundry done, but you guys, this truly free laundry detergent is honestly the best. It's non-toxic, it smells great, it's plant-based, it's great for sensitive skin. It comes with like refillable pouches. This does 50 loads. These are the little pouches that it comes in, and you just add water and shake it up. It's awesome. I am going to the gym this morning, so I'm going to do a little bit of skincare. I've been loving the Good Molecules brand. It is so great for my skin. It's a Korean skincare brand, and honestly, it's been fabulous. So this is my little outfit of the day, very simple, how I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching kind of how I get my day started, but now it's time to take Rowan to daycare and finish the rest of my day.